Hi, this is Walker, and I'm here with Diana, and we just got done with her closing. Diana, how did you hear about Cell House Columbus originally?
There was the mailer that came, it was a yellow card mailer. And then I'll just sort of add to this, there also was from another company, and that was a white postcard type mailer. I happened to call them first because they never ever called me back. I called your number and you called me back right away, and you were out the same day, and you explained everything to me, meaning Walker.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So, in that line, how has your experience been working with us?
Wonderful. I've always had a phone call back as soon as I call, and your interaction has been either text or email. And then also all three of the people that I've met that's connected with the company have been very informative, helpful, talkative, all those positive things. So
Yeah, we have a contracting company that you would have met, and they do a really good job too. So
Right.
we're glad to hear that. And then my last question would be, if you were to talk to somebody and they were interested in selling, and they were thinking about working with us, what would you say to them?
I would absolutely tell them to give your company a call, but I also have Walker's number saved in my phone, so I would just give them Walker's number.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, well, we definitely appreciate it. We're glad we can get this done for you, and we definitely appreciate you as well.